Australia's healthcare is under increasing pressure, with 1 in 2 people having a chronic disease like kidney disease, heart disease or type 2 diabetes. But with regular diagnostic monitoring at home, combined with good nutrition and exercise, medical experts say chronic disease is preventable.
Our focus now has to shift to prevention, and constant diagnostic monitoring is going to be critical as part of doing that, because we want to keep our patients with chronic disease safely at home rather than occupied beds in hospital, which is not good for them nor for the health system.
Researchers at RMIT's MedTech prototyping lab, the Discovery to Device Facility, or D2D for short, have created and manufactured a unique tech platform, a simple, small, portable test using saliva.
Consider this like your rat test for your heart, or a rat test for your kidneys, or a rat test for fertility. It can be tailored based on the end application, but all it takes is a volume of your saliva, 15 to 20 minutes, and you get a quantitative answer of what's actually happening in your body.
It's a game changer. Saliva is obviously very easily accessible. It is not invasive and can be done in the comfort of your own home. But it'll be able to give you that diagnostic information straight to the doctor sitting on virtually 1,000 miles away, and you'll be able to tell, are you having a heart attack or you're not having a heart attack?
So what do I have to do to use it?
So take your saliva in that little container,
Right.
put it in that little well over there,
And it goes.
and then wait for 15
It's like a COVID
minutes.
test.
Very similar, but you don't toss it out every single time. These are usable for up to 5 years.
So sustainability is important.
Absolutely.
As well as being a very simple test to use, it also allows the data to reach a patient's doctor automatically, which means you don't need to analyse your own results at home.
The two ends plug in together. You press that button, and that has Bluetooth capability, which allows you to send the data off to the clinician directly.
The range of medtech devices being developed at D2D have the potential to be applied to a wide range of medical situations, including kidney function, hormone monitoring for fertility, wearables for health monitoring, and sensors on fabric for aged care homes. With their in-house high-tech manufacturing facility, D2D bridges the gap between small-scale research and mass commercial manufacturing.
It is a critical piece of infrastructure. To go from the laboratory to manufacturing is just not possible unless you have a very large order. So the Discovery to Device fills this gap.
This is the facility you can come to where you want to make your 100, 200 devices, up to even 1,000 devices per week. We've done it in such a way that whatever is made here is then easily transferable to a commercial manufacturer as well.
With a growing number of industry partnerships, the D2D labs are seen as a critical piece of innovation infrastructure to support Australian research.
It is a university that has been working with industry for decades now. We have lowered the bar for entry for industry, and we work with them, the clinicians, the engineers, the computer scientists, and industry. We have the expertise, we have the plastic brains of young PhD students and postdocs, and we have identified the problems, and frequently that is the biggest obstacle to overcome.
The pocket-sized saliva biosensors are a remarkable breakthrough for managing chronic illness, but could also prove invaluable for remote communities who have limited access to medical facilities.
There are remote communities who don't get access to hospitals or healthcare. Sometimes you have to drive 200, 300 kilometers to get there. This allows you to do it in the comfort of your own house.
One key industry partner who'll be using these tests in the cardiac health space is medtech business Lubdub in Perth.
Lubdub Bio is a saliva test for your heart biomarkers. So it really looks at the biochemistry of your heart muscle to predict damage that's been done or degradation as well.
For startup medtech companies, the RMIT D2D labs are a unique facility.
There's nothing of this sort anywhere else in Australia. There's nothing of this sort anywhere else in the Asia Pacific region. So it really attracts a lot of people even from overseas who want to come and access a space like this.